Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to do a correct sumo squat. First, let's set up your stance. Begin by placing your feet significantly wider than your shoulders, with your toes angled outward at roughly 45 degrees. This wide stance is crucial for targeting the inner thighs and glutes effectively. Remember to keep your chest proud and your shoulders relaxed, pulling them slightly back and down. Actively engage your core to maintain a strong, stable base. Now, let's move into the descent phase of the sumo squat. As you begin to lower, imagine you are sitting straight down into a very low chair, keeping your back naturally straight. It's vital to ensure your knees push outward, tracking directly over your toes, never caving inward. Aim to descend until your thighs are roughly parallel to the floor, or as far as you can comfortably go while maintaining excellent form. This depth maximizes muscle engagement. Next, we focus on the ascent and proper breathing. To return to your starting position, drive powerfully through your heels and the outer parts of your feet. As you reach the top, give your glutes a strong squeeze to ensure maximum muscle activation. Remember to coordinate your breath. Exhale smoothly as you push upward, and inhale deeply as you lower yourself into the squat. This controlled breathing helps maintain stability and energy throughout the exercise. Finally, let's cover some common mistakes and helpful tips. A frequent error is allowing the knees to cave inward. Always actively push them out, tracking over your toes. Another crucial point is to avoid rounding your lower back. Maintain a neutral, straight spine from start to finish. Ensure your weight is evenly distributed, feeling it mostly through your heels and the midfoot. Practice these points for a safe and effective sumo squat, building strength in your lower body.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.